Oh, yeah, that's Nana and Pop's house in Ocean Grove.
Ocean Grove, and there's Bob's kids.
Yeah. Yeah, there's Tommy and Bobby.
Bobby and
There's
Michael.
Yep. And there's Judy holding. Oh my goodness. There's Aunt Doris.
I bet they don't have
No.
pictures like this, you know. They would love to see them.
It was
Well,
getting.
there's somebody's christening
Yeah.
or baptism.
There's you with.
There I am with somebody.
It's Michael Harney.
Michael Harney.
Is that who it is?
Mom and you with Michael Harney. Judy running around. Alive in 73. Judy's definitely older there, just the way her hair is longer and she's running around.
There's my father.
Yeah. That's Lori, I think. Is that Lori?
I don't know.
There's Nana. Almost looks like. No, it's too young for Lori, I think. This is all, isn't that it?
Ocean Grove?
Yeah,
Could be. Yeah.
looks like it's in Ocean Grove. I thought I saw Bob there. Not Uncle Bob, Uncle Bill.
Father's thinking,
Yeah.
oh, now we're back to Clinton.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
the Shive house next door,
Yeah.
wasn't it?
This
Oh,
is
that's
the-
when they bulldozed
that
it down.
was so sad. Oh,
Oh, Judy should get those for the church.
yeah. For Clinton.
Oh, this is the bulldozing Shive house
Right,
down
Yeah.
where the parking lot is
Yeah.
for the church. Yeah. It was so sad.
Yeah. I remember not being home during that time. My mom filmed this, I think, and just coming back and it was gone. It was dead.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a big, can you see how big the house was?
Bigger than ours.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful. It's on the
Historical.
picture on that's of Clinton. There's our house.
Yeah.
It was pretty close.
Yeah, well, it was, yeah, it was, you know, well, so is the Malibu house, you know.
Yeah, that's close too.
They were just a driveway away.